What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure, and today I'm finally going to show you guys how I do my photo shoots. I'll be doing this in two parts because there's two different type of photo shoots I'll do. I do the ones right here in my house that I use mainly for like my Instagram photos, but then I also do the on location shoots, which I'll show you in a completely different video. But right now I'm looking a little rough, definitely not photo shoot ready, so I'm going to keep this intro short. I'm going to go ahead and go get dressed, and then we'll get right into the photo shoot. So just to show you the setup that I use, I have a backdrop over here that I bought from Amazon. The paper didn't come with it. It came with like some fabric backdrops and like a green screen. There was white and black, but I don't use those because they don't look good. But it came with the backdrop. It came with actually 4 lights, 2 softbox ones, and then the umbrella lights. I only have 3 set up because I cracked one of the light bulbs. But there's that setup. The seamless paper, I'll link the company that I got that from. Is actually local, but I know they do ship. Or if you have like a Blick in your area, you can pick up paper there. But my local Blick, they don't sell all the colors in store. They mostly have like black, white, and gray, but you can't really get color there, so I usually order it. But this other place is actually better because it's specifically for photography. For the backdrop and the lights, it came as a set with a carrying case that I got off Amazon. I want to say I paid like $120. I've had all this stuff for years, so I don't remember exactly what I paid, but if I can find the link from like my history on Amazon, I'll link it in the description box if you guys want to get it. It's not the best quality. It's definitely for beginners, but it works, especially since this is just in my house and I'm not really a photographer. Then I have my tripod, which is where the camera normally would go on, but I'll be using my phone so that way you guys can see how to record from or take pictures from your phone for those of you that don't have cameras to shoot with. Then I have my little TV because I have my laptop hooked up to it. I normally just play music from there, so it gives me some type of entertainment while I do my photo shoots. But of course, since this is for YouTube, I'm gonna have to mute the music so they don't copyright my videos. Then over in this corner, if I move the light, I have my rolling rack set up, where I have all the clothes on there that I want to shoot and then a bunch of shoes at the bottom. I actually just bought a ton of shoes. The package just so happened to come today as I was getting ready for this video. Normally I shoot my videos without shoes. I actually go barefoot since, like I said, I normally use these pictures for Instagram. The bottom part of my body, like my feet and some of my legs, usually gets cut out of the pictures anyway for Instagram. So I don't worry about shoes. I do it all barefoot, which you guys will see. But I'll be recording another video where I'll be styling these outfits, so I'm actually going to use some of the new shoes that just came today. Plus, I want to see the shoes and try them on anyway, so those will be getting used today. Oh, the one thing that I didn't mention that I normally have set up too, which I haven't done it yet, I usually have a table set up behind all of this where I keep all of my accessories on there, so that way as I'm changing, I can throw on the pick out my accessories and then get right back on and shoot. And I'm literally doing all this by myself. I don't have anyone taking the pictures for me. It's all done with the timer. I don't need anyone's help. I literally just stay in my house and have fun styling and shooting. But the table I don't have set up yet, so you can't see it. But that is another thing just to make this all easier, where I'm all in one spot, get dressed, shoot, and then switch to the next outfit, and it makes it all go a lot faster. So I have to squat down because I don't have the right setup to record over here. But I'm just about ready. I went ahead and just did my hair in a quick top knot so it could be messy without me having to do too much to my hair because I didn't want to have to do too much right now. But the last thing that I really need to do is finish setting up my backdrop behind me, because right now, I don't know if you can even see the floor right now, but it's rolled up because I have to put my baseboard down. This apartment I just recently moved into, and I have carpet in this apartment. Whereas my old apartment, I had hardwood floors, so it was perfect for doing photo shoots with this backdrop. All I had to do was tape down the seamless paper on the floor so it didn't roll. But here, since it's carpet and trying to step on the seamless paper, you'll hear it crinkling. And then if I do decide to do full body pictures with shoes, you can see the paper crinkled at the bottom, or either my heels will poke right through the paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down my baseboard, finish setting up the backdrop, and get my lighting set up properly, and we'll go ahead and shoot. Okay, so I decided not to put my baseboard down just because I actually like this setup more. It makes it a lot easier. I don't have to deal with hearing this paper crinkle, and the pictures get cropped and edited anyway. But I'm gonna have to leave you guys back here so that way you can see the full setup while I shoot. On my phone, I have a timer app, which I'll try to put on the screen, or I'll link it in the description box. I know the phones come with a timer now, but I like this app a lot more. It takes 10 pictures back to back, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out right now, make sure I got the setup that I like, the lighting is right, and we'll go from there. Okay, so hopefully this is all coming out right, and I'll keep it going. And now this is just when I go to look at the pictures that I took, make sure I'm getting the right images, and then just keep going. So I think I got that picture, and this dress is meant to have the opening on the back, but because I'm extra, I'm gonna flip it around and do pictures with the opening from the front. Shoot that real quick, and then we'll go to the next look. Okay, so I just switched up the dress. I ruched it up a little more to give it a little different look, and we're gonna go ahead and shoot this one. Okay, I'm switching to the next outfit, which is basically the same dress but in black, so it'll go quick. Okay, so here we go with the black one. I'm sure my hair is all messed up trying to get this thing on, but whatever, we're gonna keep it going. I don't got time to change my hair. Okay, I realized my hair looked that bad. Somebody could tell me. And my brow was showing in the back the whole time. That's one of the downfalls of shooting by yourself. Normally I have a mirror so I can see myself, or either where I have the camera right now, it usually be an iPad so I can see myself. That's okay, we'll do the pictures again. Otherwise I'll just edit. Okay, so let's change this dress around and shoot again. So this will probably be the last outfit I show you guys, just because it's the same thing over and over again. You just keep changing, shooting, changing, shooting. Check your pictures in between. Make sure you're getting the looks that you want. Or if you have a screen reflecting on you so you can actually see yourself taking the pictures, you already know. Just keep it going. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video and want to see part 2, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that way I can do the on location shoot where I actually get a model, photographer, makeup, all that stuff, and we go do a real photo shoot.